Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the game is updated and your account is signed in. This avoids mismatches. Once done, open multiplayer and jump straight into the server browser. Set core filters, game mode, map, maximum ping, and minimum player count so you only see relevant hosts. Make sure NAT or ports aren't blocking you. If your ping spikes, adjust region filters. Follow these initial steps now to populate a concise server list you can evaluate. Next, focus on refining and evaluating each option. This is where you find the best match. You'll apply advanced filters, region, keyword and server name, and whether passwords are required, then sort by ping or player count depending on priority. Once sorted, inspect rules, map rotation, and any mods listed, because those change gameplay. Preview the server's ping and current players, mark favorites to return quickly, and skip servers that are either full or finally, join your chosen server and verify connection stability during the load screens and first minutes of play. If you experience high latency or disconnects, immediately restart your router and client, check NAT type or port forwarding, and try another nearby region filter to reduce hops. You should also run the in-game ping test and look at server tick or update indicators to confirm smooth play. If problems persist, rejoin or select a different server and repeat these checks to resolve lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.